Fuel pump barrel assembly overhaul. MA fuel pump barrel assembly overhaul. MAN B&W 6S6OMC-C. Dismantling. Shut off the fuel oil inlet and drain the oil. Dismantling. Shut off the fuel oil inlet and drain the oil. Remove pipe connections, puncture valve, and top cover. Position and secure the lifting tool on the barrel/plunger. Remove the pump barrel guide screw from the pump housing. Disconnect timing and regulating drive links. Use the extractor tool to disengage the toothed rack. Turn the regulating rack to free the plunger foot from the bayonet joint. Lift barrel/plunger assembly out of pump housing for repair or overhaul. Extract plunger, clean in kerosene, wipe dry. Heat the new sealing rings in 100 degrees Celsius water before fitting. Mount inner, outer, and upper sealing rings using guide stick, cone, spacer, and pusher tools. Compress rings with the sizer tool. Lubricate the plunger with molybdenum disulfide MOS2 and carefully reinsert. Cover openings if storing to prevent contamination. Mounting. Use a measuring pin and a lifting tool to set the correct position. Lubricate threads and sealing rings with MOS2. Lower the barrel/plunger assembly into the pump housing, aligning with timing and regulating guides. Engage the toothed rack with the timing guide. Approximately 30 kilograms pressure may be required. Ensure the plunger foot interlocks with the roller guide bayonet joint. Refit the inspection cover, timing rack pointer, links, and guide screw. Mount the top cover. Check alignment by turning the engine 1 revolution.